Good morning, dear children. I welcome all of you to the online class of Maths. Today we are going to start Unit 12 Geometry, which includes basic shapes, solid shapes, plane and curved surfaces, open and closed figures, and mirror halves. So let us understand them one by one. In Standard 2, all of you have learnt about some basic shapes. These basic shapes are also known as plane figures. These plane figures are square, triangle, circle, and rectangle. The line segments which join together to make a figure are called sides. The point where two sides meet is called the vertex or corner. And the diagonal is the line which stretches between two vertices. Triangle has three sides and three corners or vertices. A square has four sides, four corners, and two diagonals, and all the sides of a square are equal. A rectangle has four sides, four vertices, and two diagonals. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. A circle is a round figure which has neither a vertex nor a side. Now let us understand what are plane and curved surfaces. Children, in any object or figure, the part that you usually see and touch is called its surface. Look at this Rubik's cube. The surface of this Rubik's cube is flat. It has plane surface, whereas the surface of this vase is not straight, it is curved. It has curved surface. Now let us learn about some solid shapes which are cuboid, cube, cylinder, sphere and cone. Let us understand their characteristics. Before going through the characteristics of these solid shapes, let us understand what is the face, edge and vertex. Face is the outer part which you can see. The line where two faces meet is called the edge, and vertex is the corner. In a cuboid, there are 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 corners, and each face of a cuboid is rectangular. All its opposite sides are equal. A cube also has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 corners, and each face of a cube is square in shape. All its sides are equal. A cylinder has 2 plane surfaces and 1 curved face. It has 2 circular edges. A cone has 2 faces, 1 plane and 1 curved. It has 1 corner and 1 circular edge. Sphere is like a ball. It has only one face which is curved. Look at these objects. Rubik's cube and dice are cubical in shape. Book and the gift box which you can see in the picture is cuboid in shape. The globe and a ball are spherical in shape. Carrot and ice cream cone are conical in shape, whereas the bucket and drum are cylindrical in shape. Let us understand about open and closed figures. Children, a closed figure or shape starts and ends at the same point, whereas an open figure or shape does not start and end at the same point. Look at these figures. All the open figures have their beginning and ending point open. They do not meet at one point, whereas in a closed figure, or the end point and the beginning point, they meet together at one point. Mirror halves and mirrored lines. Mirror symmetry divides a figure or design into halves that are mirror images. In other words, objects are same on both the sides of a line, usually drawn in the middle. Now look at some of these figures. All the figures cannot be divided equally into two equal mirror halves. Only a few objects or figures can be divided into two mirror halves. These are some of the alphabets of English which can be divided into two equal mirror halves. The dotted line shows the mirrored line. The alphabet A, B, C, D, E, K, M, T, U, V, W and Y. All these alphabets can be divided into two equal halves, which are called mirror halves. That's all for today. Thank you.